with Rob, all right. I think we're on the wrong side. Attaboy, Rob. Looking good, man. Good job. Wonder if they stay on the far side or if they come to our side. We might have to switch over. Nice work, man. Good job. Yeah, let's jump to the other side. This is a pretty big race. Good job, man. Keep it up. Looking good. Nice job, man. Yep. He was supposed to be, at least. Yep. She might be. Nick is in it too. Good job, man.
I thought they were looking at you.
Nice work.
Where is the first girl? You're not the first baby.
Good work, guys. Keep it up.
Oh, number one. Said he was just walking. He must just. Yeah, oh yeah, there he is. He's right there. Oh, hi, Dana. One of you friends. Yeah. Here, here.
How long are you running today?
I don't know.
Way to go, Seaweezers!
Oh,
Good job, man. Keep it up. Looking good. I think I just have like an easy 10K or something. So 40 minutes. Here comes a big group. Lead female.
Way to go, Seaweezers! Keep
Good job, you guys. Good work.
looking good! Looking good!
There's your first girls. Pack of them. There's a bunch of girls who are together.
Way to go, guys! Keep it up! Hey, Seaweezers! Woo! Looking strong! Keep it up!
Nice work, you guys.
Way to go, guys! Keep it up! Keep it up! Way to go, Seaweezers!
She's estimated to come by like around 8.
Yes, Seaweezers!
There you go.
Keep it up! Keep
Yeah,
it
so
up!
she's made it past 5K, so then they do like estimated 10K, 7:58 a.m. Which is low. It is 7:41.
Keep it up, guys! Looking really strong!
Good time.
Good job, guys! Awesome job! Way to go, ladies! Keep it up! You got this! Way to go, guys! Keep it up! Keep it up! Way to go! Keep it up! All right, looking strong. Keep it up.
Good job, you guys. Keep it up.
Guys, keep it up.
Nice work.
Yeah, she's coming soon. And then I don't know if you've met Megan too. Are there friends
That's
and
it.
friends?
You got this.
She
Keep it up.
will be coming around 8:06. We'll see about that.
Good job.
Nice work, man.
Pardon?
You got this.
Where is he? He said he was just walking down, so he must be close.
That's it. You got this. Way to
Attaboy,
go.
Liam. Looking good, man. Keep it up.
Wow, you got this.
I know, yeah, those are the first girls.
Yeah, got this.
Yeah. Hello. How's it going?
Hi, guys.
I'm good.
They're gonna be like cheering away. Yeah, way to go. You got this.
You're smart. I'm not smart. Yeah, I know.
Way to go, guys.
I didn't know that. Yeah, yeah.
What time do the race start at?
7.
Come on, Seaweezers. You can do it.
She put her name there.
Good job, you guys.
Right.
Yeah. She's like, no one's gonna believe I'm an ass.
Nice work.
And so she
Good job. Keep it up.
like, I think this is around 10K at 7:58.
That's it. Looking good. Keep it up, Seaweezers.
And Megan is at 5%.
That's like 7:30, and I'm like,
Way to go.
I know, you're like, I'm late.
I guess Nick isn't doing it.
This is Brock and Eve's mom.
He would have been here by now.
Nice to meet you.
Good job, you guys. I guess Tony's not doing it either.
so you didn't join in then? No, I got off work at 2 a.m. last night. Yeah, I barely made it out of bed to get here. So.
Oh shit, I think I just missed Coach Shanny. Damn it.
Way to go, ladies. Yeah.
So how many are running today?
Nice work. Keep it up, man. Looking good.
I don't know. Yeah. Oh, yeah, Dana, yeah.
Good job, man. Keep it up.
Keep it up, guys. Good job. That's it. You got it. Keep it up.
Exactly the time. It's 7:45 right now. So she should be here in the next 13 minutes.
Robbie, what is it?
I know. Perfect.
Way to go, guys. Way to go, guys. That's it. Way to go. Amazing.
comes Taylor. Attaboy Taylor! Looking good, man. Keep it up.
It's easier to come here with the fog. Well, you notice it gets thicker and thicker.
Yeah, then you can really track.
That's why it says on this tracker. GPS tracker.
I got it.
Nice work, you guys. Keep it up. Nice work. Good job, you guys.
She's on the bridge. She's on the bridge.
Yeah.
She's on the bridge! The bridge is a lot bigger.
Good job, Carla. Looking good. Keep it up. Looking strong, Taylor. Good job, man.
Kind of coming off the bridge now, I think.
Hour 40. Pace setter.
I've got my photo ready.
Yeah, you're like, I don't know what's going on.
Okay.
Should be right. Yeah.
Pretty close.
Pretty close. Yeah, we're gonna go to New York. I know. Yeah, it'll be really cool. It'll be.
Good job, you guys. Nice work.
Yeah, New York. Yeah, no, I think New York will be cool. We'll have a few days.
Nice work, you guys. Good job. Oh, here comes Gary. Attaboy, Gary. Looking good, man. Looking strong. We'll get out of here pretty soon. You said we have until 8. Nice work, you guys. Was that? Oh, Spartan guy. I think that's the guy that gave us the free glasses at the car free day. Nice job, Rob. Good job, man. I feel like I missed so many people. Oh, is that Tommy? It's the party crowd. Nice work, you guys. Good job. Keep it up. Nice job, you guys. Good work. Wow. Nice work. Yep, bananas. Oh, Gary. Good job, Gary. Keep it up. Oh, I missed his high five. Oh, I feel so bad. Maybe I can catch him. I'm so bad at spectating races. I miss so many people. Nice work, you guys. Good job. You have to register for this one super early in advance because it's pretty popular. So I would have had to register for it like start of the year to get in. Yeah, Tommy! Congrats on the BQ, man. Good job.
Thank you.
Yeah, I think so. He just did the Jack and Jill marathon like 2 weeks ago, so he's probably not taking this one too hard. Good job, you guys. Got some like GoPro inception right now because I'm gonna be in his and he'll be in mine. Nice work. Good job, you guys. Settle in. Good job. Nice work. Nice work, you guys. Good job, you guys. Nice work. $150. Head out in a couple of minutes. Nice job, you guys. Settle in. Good job.
No, I haven't. No.
Good job, buddy. Should we be giving out some high fives or what? Should we be giving out high fives or what? Are we bad spectators?
Why even gave up on the clapping?
Nice work. Good job, you guys. Oh, here's the 150 girl. We're gonna try and get a high five. Come on, you guys. Good job. Looking good. Keep it up. Good work. Yeah, there you go. Good job. Keep it up. Oh, I think I'm committed now. I can't put my hand down. Good job. Good job, you guys. Okay, yeah, we'll finish off this group. Good job. There we go. I didn't think I'd get committed there. Nice work, you guys. All right. Oh, hey, man. Looking good. Congrats on the death race. His relay team won the race. That was the guy that was, yeah, he was in the crutches at the beer mile. Remember that guy?
Yeah.
Derek, yeah. Hey, man. Did he tell me to get out of here? He's like, get out of here. What, does he know our parking is almost up? Dr. Dribble. All right.
Down here. Want to go down there?
Good job. Keep it
Should have been standing up here.
Keep it up.
Good job, you guys.